Hello kids, today we will learn alphabet and number. Parrot green, orange, purple, sky blue, red, violet. Alphabet A. Say with me. A. B. Say with me. B. C. Say with me. C. D. Say with me. D. E. Say with me. E. F. Say with me. F. G. Say with me. G. H. Say with me. H. I. Say with me. I. J. Say with me. J. K. Say with me. K. L. Say with me. L. M. Say with me. M. N. Say with me. N. O. Say with me. O. P. Say with me. P. Q. Say with me. Q. R. Say with me. R. S. Say with me. S. T. Say with me. T. U. Say with me. U. V. Say with me. V. W. Say with me. W. X. Say with me. X. Y. Say with me. Y. Z. Say with me. Z. Number 1. Say with me. 1. 2. Say with me. 2. 3. Say with me. 3. 4. Say with me. 4. 5. Say with me. 5. 6. Say with me. 6. 7. Say with me. 7. 8. Say with me. 8. 9. Say with me. 9. 10. Say with me. 10. 11. Say with me. 11. 12. Say with me. 12. 13. Say with me. 13. 14. Say with me. 14. 15. Say with me. 15. 16. Say with me. 16. 17. Say with me. 17. 18. Say with me. 18. 19. Say with me. 19. 20. Say with me. 20. Subscribe for more videos.